Hi guys, I have just built the production and operations matrices dashboard which is based on the real-time dashboard. Before going into the dashboard explanation and the BRD, let me give a short glimpse about this project. Generally, manufacturing companies produce large data like production, sales, employees' salary, and consumption of natural resources. So they can't organize the data for how much they consumed or how much sales they driven are achieved. So in the way to solve the problem, I have created the dashboard which provides the overall machine production data, water consumption, EB consumption, employee salary, and which employee produce the major production. So with this dashboard he can actually easily monitor and get the result to proceed further to improve his business. Yeah, and let me first explain this BRD and what are the problems I have solved. I have documented this. Let me explain this. So the project title is based on real-time project. So production and operations performance dashboard for manufacturing industry. So the business problem is the industry owner can't manage machine production data, electricity consumption, water usage, labor working hours, raw material purchases, and the sales revenue for the overall month, week, or year. So I have solved this with this dashboard. And the objective of this project was to build an interactive dashboard that helps management in the monitoring production performance, track operational cost, analyze machine efficiency, and evaluating the labor productivity with monitoring electricity and water consumption, understanding the revenue and the sales performance. Now we are in the business requirement gathering section. Here the key requirements of this dashboard are to see the total revenue, total production, the items sold, salary expenses, and the material purchase cost. So we have given the dashboard insights. Let us see further. And the user requirements are he should filter the data by machine ID, filtered by employee or labor ID with the labor name, and also he need to filter the material type which he has purchased. And the KPI used here are the total revenue, items sold, production, salary, and the purchase details. So we have given this dashboard. Let us see. And we have analyzed the machine efficiency, electricity consumption, staff details, water consumption, revenue analysis, and the material purchase. With this he can able to identify the salary he has given to his employee and the employee's production and the employee's productivity during their working hours and the natural resources consumption to increase their production. And to create the dashboard I have used the Microsoft Excel with that pivot tables, pivot charts, slices, KPI cards, and the data visualization. And the dashboard provides the centralized monitoring of operational matrices, improved visibility into production performance, and the better tracking of operational cost, easier identification in inefficiencies, and the data-driven decision making of management to improve the production. And let us discuss about the dashboard. And here is the Excel sheet which the data I have used. So I also give the link in the comment section so you can also use that and practice it. So here are the data of electricity usage like and the labor work log, raw materials purchase details, sales data. And let me move to the dashboard. And now we are on the dashboard page. So here you can see about the title production and operations dashboard. Here with the KPI we can see total revenue, items sold, production, salary, and the purchase details. With this we can see the slicer which we can filter out to monitor the machine efficiency based on the machine ID and the name by which the employee works the most and who gave the better production, and also the material type. Now I am using the slicer. I am giving the machine ID 1. It shows the actual production of machine ID 1 which is 2820, and now I'm giving about machine ID 3 and it's giving the production rate of 2577. And now we go to the employee section. I am giving the employee name Harish. So now the total production by Harish has been displayed here. Likewise also we can go and monitor about the purchase section. Here the material type, now I'm giving electronic items. So here the total electronics items purchased with the amount of cost, here it is displayed. And also I am cancelling out the filter. Here we can see the overall machine efficiency of the 3 machines and the EB consumption per month for the 3 machines, and the total staff salary details and their working hours with the water consumption of daily limits, and the revenue details and the materials purchased. Yeah, and I hope this dashboard helps you, and please share your thoughts in the comment section.